My KCET 2025 NEET aspirants, so this is very important update for all of you. So those students who have registered for UGCET 2025 can participate in the KEA NEET counseling, and here are some important updates that you should be knowing here. So go to the official website, then just click on this link, that is UGNEET roll number enrollment note here only for UGCET 2025 registered candidates. So if you click on this, you have some very important information. So let's check that. So as per the directions of the government, KEA is inviting applications through online from candidates who have qualified the UGNEET 2025. So those students who have secured the minimum score that is required, and if you have secured that score, you want a seat in Karnataka, you have to register for UGCET 2025. And here the candidates who have already registered for UGCET 2025, what they have to do is they have to enter their UGNEET roll number in the KEA portal through their login and did not register once again. So already this link is active, so just go there and enter your roll number and the enrollment will be done. Next, for this the time is 7 PM of 5th July to 11 AM of 8th July. Okay, so already the deadline is very near, so please finish it quickly if you haven't. Next, once this is done, you can download your verification slip and the information on verification. So after entry of UGNEET roll number, download the application form. Candidates should verify the UGNEET roll number printed in the UGNEET 2025 application form. Okay, so you have to just check that your application form has the same roll number, and then download the UG verification slip from the KEA website. Since verification is completed through online, verification of documents is not required again. Next, if you have NRI, there is some, you have to go offline and then check your documents. These are the time slots given. You can check here, and if you are from category 2 to category 8, then St. John's Medical College, you have to appear there for verification of documents in person, okay, at Medical College Counselling Room, ground floor, St. John Medical College, Koramangala, Bangalore, okay, and with all the relevant original documents either on 9th or on 10th of July 2025. So here the slots are given, okay, so that is there. And candidates who have not registered for UGCET 2025, so those candidates who have registered for UGCET 2025, they have to enroll their number and they download their verification slip, and for them the documents are verified, they don't have to go anywhere. For NRI students and the students claiming category 2 to category 8, they have to go in person for document verification. And those students who have not registered for UGCET 2025, you have a time till now, you can register now. The link is open from 1 PM of 7th July to 11 AM of 10th July. You can register, and then the process will be same for you as well. Okay, so first you have to register by paying the fees. So that's all in this video, a very important update, and if you have any doubt, please put down in the comment section. I'll definitely address it, and thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. All the best.